Have you been wondering how you can refresh your skin and repair your hyperpigmentation? Welcome to my channel. My name is Sharifa. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell for notification and drop the comment under the comment section down below. And if you love my video, don't forget to give it a like. Let's get into the purpose of this video. Our first ingredient, we're going to be using turmeric. Turmeric heals acne, reduces wrinkles, it has lightening agents, reduces oil and heals hyperpigmentation, and it soothes irritation. Ingredient, we are going to be using aloe vera. Aloe vera clears acne, contains antioxidants, it has enzymes, it has vitamin A and C, and it treats dry skin. Get 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Add in 1 small spoon of turmeric. This first pack is going to help us repair pigmentation. It is good at relieving dark circles, to brighten the skin. At the same time, our main component is to clarify and refresh our skin. So mix the 2 ingredients very well until you make a smooth, clear paste. And then our face pack is ready for application. Now we are going to start applying it onto our clean face. And I'm going to be using my hands because I need to massage it very well. Massage in a circular motion. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed as much as I did. Until next time.